Hi, this is Susan Schultz, and I'm with DigitalAircraft, and we are here at the MRO Americas 2022, and we're here for the last interview of the day with a couple of awesome entrepreneurs, and I'll have to say we have a couple of women entrepreneurs here, and let's just introduce both of you. First of all, to my right, and everybody's met Fiona, but Fiona, again, would you please introduce yourself? Who are you and what do you do?
I'm Fiona Mackay, the founder of Leading Ladies of Aerospace and Defence, and we are working to get more women into leadership positions in our industry.
Great. And on my left here, I have Jen and Mike Prowse, and can you just introduce yourself?
Sure.
Tell me who you are and what you do.
Yeah, hi, my name is Jen Prowse.
Jen.
I'm one of the owners of Prowse Manufacturing Group, located in Marysville, Washington.
Great.
I'm Mike Prowse. I'm a business partner with Jen, the other owner of Prowse Manufacturing Group in Marysville.
Awesome. And so as we get into this is our last interview of the day, and we have a lot of things in front of us, and that has to do with your company, right? Prowse Manufacturing. And before we get into it, can you just tell us what are some of the challenges that you're facing today? You know, you're a sheet metal shop, right? And you do some machining. But what are some of the things that are the problems that you're seeing today in the industry?
There's a wide range of problems in the industry, from supply chain to labor. We see it multiple times today. There's a lot of people who need sheet metal work, and they're not getting the quality from their suppliers. That's something that we certainly supply is high quality materials, high quality parts. We have to delight our customers with our quality and on-time performance.
And who are some of your customers?
We have a variety of customers. We do a lot of military work through the DLA. So we do cargo airplanes, bombers, fighter jet aircraft. We do a lot of sheet metal with them. So we do a lot of formed sheet metal, complex formed sheet metal and assemblies, such as this. We also do a lot of CNC work with the military. We also have the commercial side, where we do a lot of work through OEMs into feeding Boeing, and just recently started feeding some of the Airbus supply chain.
And so you're saying you're supporting both military and commercial, right?
Yes.
And you said that there is a situation or a problem with the supply chain and getting the right type of work done, quality. And so what does your company do to be able to meet those needs and solve those problems?
Well, for us, we certainly have the breadth and the depth of capabilities in both machining and sheet metal fabrication. So for us, working closely with our supply chain, and one of the challenges that we're experiencing today is reducing the lead time on material. And that the material lead time has gotten much longer. And so we will look at the typical material that we use, and we have been stocking more of that type of material so that when we do get the work, we have material available in-house to be able to service our customer.
So you're being proactive about getting the materials,
yes,
before the customers are asking for it, right?
Right.
Because that supply chain, it's a pretty long lead time getting the materials.
Some material, like some of the billets or titanium, even typical sheet metal that we've been working with have gotten a lot longer because of various issues, including transportation. So transportation has experienced big delays, and so
we've been seeing that.
Yes, we've been seeing it. So for us to reduce the lead time and be able to support our customer needs, we will stock up material.
Okay, great. Awesome. So you are a woman-owned business, correct?
Yes, we are.
Right?
Yes.
And so that makes you unique with the support here, this great team, right?
Yes.
The Prowse team. And so that kind of rolls into Fiona here. And, since Fiona is supporting women in business, how did you two meet?
So we met at a networking event in Seattle, Washington. And then from there, we've continued to engage online and at different events.
So Jean's been attending our Leading Ladies of Aerospace and Defense Summits. So she's been actively participating for a few years now. So we really appreciate Jean's support.
That's great. So you've been in contact with one another and networking and
yeah.
Right.
And I love being around other women business owners. That means a lot to me. So.
Fantastic.
Well, what is one of the things that you do, Fiona? What do you promote the most? What is one of the single thing that you do that is helping women?
Providing access to role models like Jin. We actually put on virtual summits and regular leadership labs where we're bringing in women who have walked the talk and they're sharing that knowledge with other women so that they can step up too. So it's really about knowledge and connections.
And that really is important. When you see other women role models, it really is, just really enthusiastic. It helps other women to see that they can do that too. And that is supportive of all women, right?
Yeah,
absolutely. I think for me is the support, and I appreciate Fiona's bold and courageous voice. So it's inspiring.
Yeah.
And for someone like me, it's like no fear, right? Get out there, put your arms around it, and go for it. So.
I was going to ask what's your favorite thing about the Leading Ladies events, and
I think for me, walking away is the boldness.
Yep.
Right. Be able to set your goals and go do it, and having that network and support is fantastic.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I meet so many great women, and a lot of the time I hear, I'm just this or I'm just that. I'm like, you're not just anything. You're absolutely amazing. And we need more women out there believing in themselves and knowing just what a difference they're making. And so people like Jin, they're out there, they're inspiring those women so that more of us actually believe in ourselves and go after it.
Very inspirational. Plus an amazing ally, right? Partnership. Important.
Yes.
Male allies.
I know all about that.
We've interviewed several male allies at the show, and your support. They used to say that the man in the film The Greek Wedding, the man is the head, but the woman is the neck. But now I'm like, well, maybe the woman is becoming the head and the man's becoming the neck.
Oh goodness! All right, so can you tell me, what makes you guys unique? In the industry. If we have so many people here that may be doing some of the same things, why should they come to you?
Yeah,
what makes you unique?
There's a lot of machine shops. There's a lot of sheet metal shops. We managed to combine the two. So we're sort of a one-stop shop. So we can provide their CNC work, we can provide their sheet metal work, we can do their assembly for them. So they don't have to go through 3 different shops to get their work done. They can just come to us.
Great. Yeah. And so you've had a lot of success with those companies, right?
Yes, it's been great.
Yeah, we've had some excellent conversations at the show. So definitely has been very productive for us. But for me, looking at our business, it's all about continuous learning. Keep learning, keep growing, keep adding value in what we do. So,
and I think that you did mention, and I know you're being modest about this, but I think you did blush when you mentioned that Mike has a PhD, right?
Yes.
So very smart. He knows what he's doing, and that's why people are coming to you, right? One of the reasons.
Yes.
Smart plus people aspect of it, right? You're running the operations, and that's what's important in operations.
Customer service, customer support.
Great. So if somebody wanted to reach out to you, how would they do that? They wanted to learn more about what you do in your company. How could they do that? LinkedIn, email?
Yeah, so we both of us are on LinkedIn. You can reach me, look me up, Jin Prowse. Not spelled JIN PROWSE on LinkedIn, or visit us on our website, ProwseGroup.com.
Okay, and
you can reach me. I'm also on LinkedIn under Mike Prowse or Michael Prowse. We also have a LinkedIn page for our company, which is Prowse Group, or Prowse Manufacturing Group. Excuse me. We're all there on LinkedIn.
Okay, great. So reach out to Jen and Mike if you want to learn more about sheet metal and machining. Great. And Fiona, how can they reach out to you?
leadingladiesof.com. And of course, I'm on LinkedIn. It's Fiona Mackay, but it's spelled Mckay.
There you go, Mackay. So there you go. We're wrapping up day 2 of MRO Americas 2022, and we'll be back tomorrow with a lot more interviews for you. So until then, we'll see you in the morning. Bye-bye.